Okay, so here we are factoring a quadrinomial by trial and error. So we're going to have four terms. So let's say we have x squared plus xy plus x plus y, and we want to factor that. You want to make sure that your x's, your powers of x, are in order from highest to lowest. So here we have x to the power of 2. These two, we have x to the power of 1. And here, there's no x, and that's the same as x to the power of 0. Okay. So we'll have our diagram. X squared, we could get that by x times x, which will give us x squared. So that matches our first term. And then y, we could get what times what will give us y. We could do 1 times y will give us y. And then let's check our middle term. So x will follow the x pattern. X times y gives us xy, plus x times 1 gives us x. You can't add these two because they're not like terms. And you'll see that it's the same as our middle terms. So that also matches up. So that means that this is going to be a factor, and this is going to be a factor. So x plus 1, x plus y. If you multiply this out, you should get this. Okay, let's look at another example. So let's say if we have 3x squared minus 2x minus 3xy plus 2y. So here we have x squared. These are x to the power of 1, and this is x to the power of 0. We have our diagram. So 3x squared, we could get that with maybe x and 3x. X times 3x will give us 3x squared. And then 2y. So we could do 2 times y to get 2y, but we want it so our middle terms are going to be negative. So in order to get that, these are going to have to be negative. So we could do negative 2 and negative y. So negative 2 times negative y will give us a positive 2y. And then let's check our middle terms. X times negative y, negative xy, plus 3x times negative 2 gives us negative 6. And if we check, these are not the same. So we need to change something. So we could either, if there were different factors, we could use different sets of factors. We could change the signs, or we could flip these two numbers. So that's what I'm going to do. So we'll have negative y up here and negative 2 down here. Because if you multiply these two together, you still get 2y. Let's check the middle terms. X times negative 2 is going to give us negative 2x, plus 3x times negative y is negative 3xy. And that does match, negative 2x and negative 3xy. So that means that this is going to be a factor, and this is going to be a factor. So x minus y, 3x minus 2. And if you factored this out, you should get this. So this is my favorite way of factoring, is using this diagram. One reason I like it is because it's versatile. you could use it with binomials, trinomials, and here we just use it with quadrinomials. So, try it out, see how you like it, and good luck.